babani benangu ebeyi y'amate egarukeza higuru bashemerire kukwatanisa bakagira cooperative era abatereho ebeyi eyi bari kwenda
nitwe kwegerera na factory twegera processing plant aha witu ikigatuma abo kuba mbeni cyoja batwe dabade yitunduke processing kongeje ntintu kiruza kutiyamba hati izo bindi uwo mutegeri yashinje bitatu uwo rita ya petrol yashinje bitanu rakaga njimanyisa munyoraza gwa petrol ritengi emwe ya petrol nye tunda tazanji 18
Peter Amonik ori manager owa Mutanoga farm nagira ngu obwire obwenjura ebeyi neberi hansi mwabo kwa mateni gabagari minji kitari nko kukibire kiri ombwire bw'omushana.
During dry season the demand for milk is way too high and it's very hard for farmers to get enough milk that they can supply the producers. So the price of milk tend to increase because of the high demand and the scarcity in the farm. That's they can have all these raw materials to produce high quality of milk. Then the other side, during rainy season, there's plenty of green grasses, there's plenty of feeds, there's plenty of green pastures. So the volume for milk definitely increase. So this would what brings the competition in the farm. Farmers always decide to reduce the prices for them.
Ita ayonjire yagira ngo abarisa baheza kwegita nico kirije kuretera abarisa biha musente ezo bari kwenda.
I can advise you can come out of this is by coming out with a cooperative. You know, with a cooperative you get in touch with the suppliers and the producers. You sit down and make an agreement where you signed the contract for which, whether in dry season or in wet season, the price for your milk remain constant.
Emmanuel Ataho orikwebembera rushere dairy cooperatives nagira ngo abarisa bakwatanisa nibwo muhanda gumwe gonka ubwo bakubasa kurabiramo okutunga bari kwenda okurwo mu mategabo. Bamwe ombari kuguza amate bayongera bayoreka n'obuzibu obo bari kurabamo omukutambuza amataga.
Araho norga ko murisa shango mwe amate garumabi kurga famu cyo naco kitubera obuzibu kizakikaho shanga mbakujambe no mutindo gw'amate kandi wasisikara famu kandi kikuretwa obutashumesa abarisa lack of sensitization.
Tinchenda nito tukore ubombe government kumanye itambaga financial assistance nitebaditi bareke kutsige nyuma kuba ipete bindi amoroshera ukureta amateno bindi
Wilson Kajenje uri mu nyishengero ahabanya bushozi nagira ngo ubonka barisa agire bine kugira irakarimwe nka cooperative kandi babase kongera omutindo ahamategabo.
N'umurundi abarisa bo mwishazari ya Nyabushozi nangwa no bumbicueka byo nabar kuri sente abentasiya yabo munongeriye ahakuguza amate nibetomboita ahabwe beyi kushuma ekagaruka hansi kandi gataro mazima ngo amatage yunjiro gwinji ntwebuza habwenki amate nigagumana gashuma kandi ibindi bitaru kushuma konka twine kumanya ngu ekitwine korito nkabarisa icyo kubanza no kuraba twantuguza amategeitu no kurabira umwira karumwe ya cooperative. Ecya kabiri amate agaruka febeyi tumate agomba papara tumate agariyo mu supermarket namate agaru fresh mbwene cooperatives zine kureba ngo twayerunde ine hamwe twakora umurimo twaza okuprocessinga value addition amategeitu kugiha umuryago agaruka tukagata umuringo gutarukufa ahubwo kubagwe beyi yago tikushuma kandi nakatare nikaguma nikeyongera.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Job Kato. Webale Job Kato. Nigo twatwinire umucyoka cyitso cyo kubanza reka tumuroka cyane ingarukane